Today, Kenyans were rioting, were demonstrating outside because of how difficult it is now to live in this country. Eric Omondi was tear-gassed outside here. Kenyans are demonstrating everywhere, saying it is becoming unbearable to live in this country. I don't want to wade into the debate of who is a shareholder of this country and who is not. But the truth of the matter is, there are very important things that are now being set in abeyance until we can be able to resolve this matter of leadership. So, Mr. Speaker, I'd like to beseech you not to allow party politics to determine the agenda of this House. Because I can assure you that until the party is respected, I speak with authority, I speak out of experience, because this thing has happened to me. Senator Ledama Olekina standing here. Mr. Speaker, in the last parliament, I was elected by my colleagues as the chair of PAC,